Why, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a flip through for you, an interactive walkthrough through this beautiful book of Beautiful Birds, adult coloring book by Ava Browne. The Ava Browne Company was so generous to send me this book to review and flip through with you on my channel. And if you order this book, please don't forget to go on Amazon and give them a 5-star rating if you enjoy your coloring book. And as always, you get that free digital copy that you can print out on your own special favorite paper if you want to use a different medium, watercolor paper, whatever it is that you'd like. And you get your color test pages, and we get right on into the flip through. So I don't know much about birds, but they are a beautiful animal. And I love these illustrations. I quickly flipped through and scanned a few of the images, looked at them very quickly. And what I saw, I was very happy with. I love all of the flowers in this image here, and there are so many butterflies. Well, maybe not so many, maybe 3, but they've mixed butterflies and all these beautiful different kinds of flowers. No, 4. No, wait a minute. I'm like, it's like a butterfly hunt. There's more than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, there is 4. Never mind. But these birds are so adorable. I don't know what kind they are, but if you're a bird lover, you would know, and you would love this book. If you are a flower lover and butterfly lover, you would enjoy this book also. But he's looking like that's the male bird and that's the female bird, and she's coming to visit him. And look at that eye. He's got that side eye like, yep, my lady's coming to visit me. And all these flowers. He knew what he was doing when he landed in these flowers. He knew she was going to come running because we women love what? We love flowers, okay? Then you have, these look like hummingbirds, I would guess and think. And they're in the beautiful flowers also. I love how the background is like nothing in the background. And you can just do whatever you'd like with that background. Just do a pastel background or just whatever it is you choose. And here are 2 lovebirds. That might actually be what they are called. But that's got to be like the female right there, because she's looking like undeterred, unconcerned and undeterred of just not paying attention to him. Like, and he's
like, hey, sweetie pie, can I please get your number? Like, I love you. You're beautiful.
And she's playing all coy, like she's just not interested. These birds, they something serious. I don't know what they doing. But here's a beautiful sunflower right here. And it looks like a rose right here. So you can like experiment with all the different colors of leaves and flowers. This is just nice. I like it. Now you have a birdhouse picture included, and you can color that like a red wood and color the roof a brown and just add everything that you'd like to add to it. But here's like a little family situation of birds going on. She's happy. I don't know if that's a girl or a boy, but whoever it is, they're happy. They're just coming home, so they don't know what's going on. But this one right here, this one looking upset. Like, this one made him mad and he ain't concerned. And she like,
you should not have called me fat, talking about I eat too many worms.
I mean, no, you never call a woman like overweight. Oh my goodness. Oh, here we have 2 different kind of birds. Here we have like a toucan and something else, maybe a parakeet or something. I don't know. But they both look like they're upset because one or the other is invading somebody's territory. And then we have the beautiful peacock. Now we have a fence here. I love they have just all the different variations of things. And now we have here a hawk, maybe a hawk, chicken hawk, something. But I don't want to mess with him with a face like that. I do not want to get on his bad side. Then we have these 2 birds. They're a happy couple. They look very happy. And who can't be happy when you're going towards a bed of roses? I mean, like, seriously. Then you have a hummingbird here. excuse me, getting the nectar of a yummy, yummy flower. Now this one has a worm in his mouth or her mouth. So somebody is the provider right here. They go and get the food, bringing home the bacon. And why does bird here look so upset? I mean, you're by yourself. What are you upset with? The flower? What's wrong with him? There go another worm. These birds are like some hard-working animals. Or mammals or whatever. And here's a bunch of, look like maybe red birds, bluebirds, woodpeckers. I don't know, but there's a whole bunch of them. And here's like a nice little bird here. And here's a mama in her nest, getting ready to become a mother very, very soon. And we have some type of bird here, but they don't look like the same type of bird. They look like they're different, unless that one is just rustling his feathers because he's mad. But oh my goodness, this picture here, I guess this is a woodpecker. And then there's the baby woodpecker up in the hole or the nest. But mama woodpecker looks very upset with baby woodpecker. Baby woodpecker must have did something, ate up all the worms from his brothers and sisters, or left the nest when he was not supposed to, or he did something, but he about to get plucked on his head by mama woodpecker. See, you got my tongue tied. Woodpecker, woodpecker, woodpecker. Have some beautiful swans in Swan Lake. You can practice on your coloring water. Here's another peacock, I think. And some birds enjoying a lovely bird bath in the garden. And here's a beautiful bird. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's a swan or whatever, but it's beside a big wooden wheel and it's gorgeous. Oh, he looks like an old man. There's an old parakeet or something. Or what was the bird name in Rio? I think that was the name of the movie. He looks like that. Here's another family, and this time he does not have a worm in his mouth. He has a butterfly or a caterpillar or something in his mouth. And that one is looking like, yes, bring it home to mama. I can't wait to eat that butterfly. Here's a family of ducks. So much variety in this book. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So many different flowers and different kinds of scenes. Who would have ever thought that you could make a bird book interesting? Well, there you have it. A quick interactive flip through of The Beautiful Birds coloring book by Ava Browne. And there's the back. So if you are interested in this book, I will place the link below in the description so that you can go right to it and purchase this lovely, lovely book. I know you've already probably saw this flip through on maybe another channel or something, but I just want to bring it to you from the Dollar Divas perspective. You know, I have my wacky scenarios that I have playing in my head, so I had to bring that to you. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you on the next episode. Happy coloring!